Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. Start by locating the first connector at the front of the engine, just below the intake pipe. This is the boost pressure sensor. Connect the A cable here. Once connected, secure the cable properly, ideally with a zip tie, to make sure it stays clear of the cooling fan and cannot be damaged while the engine is running. Next, connect the B cable to the intake manifold pressure sensor, which is located on the left side of the engine. Then move to the rear of the engine and connect the C cable to the camshaft sensor. As you plug in each connector, listen for a distinct click. That sound confirms the connector is fully engaged and locked. Finally, make sure all wiring is securely fastened. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.